Does your furnace turn off unexpectedly? Do the flames come on briefly only to shut back down? You probably have a condition known as short cycling. It is frustrating but is an easy repair. If your furnace flames are not staying on consistently, your flame sensor is likely dirty. The flame sensor is located inside the furnace, right near the burners. Okay, so first thing, you want to make sure that your furnace is in the off condition. Most furnaces will have a simple disconnect switch right here. This one just has a simple off switch. They may also have a fuse you can remove, and of course you can turn off the circuit breaker as well. After you are convinced that the power is off to the furnace, go ahead and open the service panel. Once inside, you'll locate the flame sensor. It is a cylindrical looking device right by the burners. These flame sensors get dirty. They can be cleaned. However, you do not want to use something too abrasive such as steel wool or sandpaper. That will damage the flame sensor. You want to use something somewhat soft. And believe it or not, a real easy fix, I've tried it myself, it works well, is simple money, paper cash, currency. In this case, we'll use a $100 bill. Your paper money has just the right consistency to clean the flame sensor but not be overly aggressive and damage it. So you want to get in there with your money. It can be any denomination you want. I like to just fold it lengthwise, and you're going to curl it to get around the flame sensor. Okay, you're simply going to take your cash and you're going to actually go back and forth on that flame sensor. And as you're doing that, it is cleaning the surface, it's corroding, taking off the corrosion, it's making it all shiny again. And when you do this on all sides, all the way around the flame sensor, it will operate well again and be clean for your furnace to operate. I've done this myself and in other people's homes. Typically, you'll get anywhere from a month to maybe even years of good continual service after that. Eventually, I would replace the flame sensor if you're having continuous problems. Don't be afraid of it or intimidated. You can definitely do it yourself. This is what a flame sensor looks like. You can order them online from any heating contractor. You can simply order them online. This is what they look like. It's actually a very simple device. We'll show you in another video how to replace that.